There is one device known as repeater in our communication system. Repeat. What does it repeat? Oh, this is one surface of the earth. We know it is round, and we have here transmitters, antennas. When the electromagnetic waves are transmitted from here, of course, it will carry certain distance. The public is here, everywhere. So, a good strength of signal. Here, a good strength of signal, but less than this, because this distance is very long, and when it comes here, we find no strength here, because the distance is so large that it has depleted. There is a attenuation we have studied. Its amplitude become very less. We have studied, and again I will repeat it. The amplitude become less. Initially so high, then becomes so low, then becomes so low. So what do? We have to send it here. So here we have another. Here we put another tower over here, and we have one device here. What is this device? This device has got two parts. There is one receiver, there is one transmitter, and there is a third thing in between, that is amplifier. Receiver will receive it. Then it will do all the things as required by a receiver. Then it will amplify the signal. Here we put it. So what does it do? This signal, which is a very weak signal, this is converted into again a high signal like this. So it had become from, say, this was 10, here it has become 1. This one, when it goes into this amplifier, this has again become 10. Now, again after certain distance, say 50 kilometer, again after 50 kilometer, it become 1. We fit this device here. This device has a receiver, a tuner, so that will tune with this. Receive it. After receiving, it will give it the power and again make it this way. So again it is 10 volt. Now it is capable to go 50 kilometer again. So in this way, this device, from here I have to go 500 kilometer. The signal has to be sent 500 kilometer. Every 50 kilometer its strength become less. I fit this device. It will receive the signal coming from this side. It will amplify it to 10, and then it will transmit it with the help of antenna. It will transmit it to next 50 kilometer. So it is going in this direction, getting weak. Again here it has become low. Again I repeat the use of this device, this combination. Again it is repeated, makes 10, send it for 50 kilometer again. So this device is repeated, and its name has become repeater. So repeater is what? Repeater is a device, is a combination of a receiver, amplifier and transmitter. What is its job? Attenuated signal is given strength and its amplitude is again increased. There are certain technical details, like this frequency and this frequency are kept slightly different. The frequency at which it receives and the frequency at which it transmits, there is certain difference, so that there is no local resonance factor here. Okay, so those are details we can study later, but at present these repeaters are required, and with this we can send our signal to a large distance. And these machines you have seen in your cable of the TV. Whenever signal of the TV become weak, we request our cable operator to fit an amplifier on the way. He fits one, that is a repeater. He fits one, that box is there, gives the power, that makes the weak signal to a high voltage signal, and now it has a power and we get good power. That is what we do in our OFC cables, in our different cables in the TV. So these are known as repeater stations. In the transmitter on the surface of Earth, every 50 kilometer we have fitted towers like this, and every tower has got this repeater. So signal goes from here, then from here it goes here, then it goes here, and then it goes here. Otherwise, from this place to that place, it cannot go. There is a earth on the way. That is one. Number two, because of the distance, it will become very weak. So this signal cannot reach directly here 200 kilometer. It can go maximum up to 50 kilometer. More than that, it will touch the earth and will not reach here. So we use the tower and this machine here, which is receiver, amplifier, transmitter, we call it repeater. So these are very important components of the communication system. Thank you.